Hey folks, Kenny Brown here with Marinemax here in Panama City Beach. I want to take a few minutes with you this afternoon and show you a brand new boat that just came in and is available in 2021. This is the Nauticstar 191 Hybrid. Now there's a reason they call these boats hybrid, and I'll go through that in a little bit because they can do everything. Notice the nice hull design, very dry riding boat. But I also want to point out, notice how these hybrids have a stepped hull. That's very important. What is that for? So when you get into some sporty conditions out there on the water, this allows the boat to ride with the hull design, the stepped hull design, so much more smoother. You really have to experience it to see how awesome it is. As we step here to the back of the boat, notice this 191 hybrid is equipped with the Yamaha Vmax 115 motor. Now, what's the difference in this motor and your standard Yamaha 115 four-stroke? This motor is geared different. It provides more torque in the engine, thus allows this boat to get right up on plane, and this boat will scoot. It will surprise you how fast this boat will go with a 115. But let's come on aboard. Let me point out a few other things for you, okay? Okay, here we are aboard the Nauticstar 191 Hybrid. Wanted to point out a few features here that's on the boat, in the deck, in the cockpit, and in the bow. Notice here on the stern the nice long 4-rung ladder that's really nice for boarding and when you're out in the water. And folks, notice this casting platform here. This is super nice when you're out there in the bay and you're fishing, catching those redfish or speckled trout or those bass or those crappie. But also look at the engineering of this. For those rides out and those rides back, you have 2 bucket seats back here, and let's not forget the all important live well right here in the middle for your ease and convenience. So they really thought of everything on this boat. Now notice this nice Helm leaning post here with the backrest. A lot of boats this size will have a leaning post, but they won't have a backrest. This is really nice. And notice underneath this nice big cooler, you can put all your catch if you want in there, or your food and your drinks. As we stand here at the helm, notice all of your controls here. Got a nice glove box where you can put some storage, put your phone, whatnot. There's your infinity stereo. This boat's equipped with a nice stereo sound system, as well as your USB jacks to charge your phone, a 12-volt adapter there. You got your analog gauges in here. You got plenty of room to put your electronics. Another thing to point out too, it does come with a windshield. So if you happen to get in some of those elements, you can get behind it, as well as this bar right here that you can hold on to. Notice here in the gunnels, you've got places to store your fishing rods. This right here is your anchor light. And you've got rod holders on both sides of the helm here. If you'll see here, you've got 3 on this side to put extra rods and 3 on the other side. You also have your courtesy lights that light up your deck here. As we move forward, remember the live well in the back? Well folks, look at here. This boat has 2 live wells. That's unheard of on a boat that's 19 foot long. But it also does as a nice cushion chair when you're heading out. Look at this nice bow lounging area here. This is nice when you're out at the sandbar, you're at the island, you kick back, relax. We like to relax around here. You got your backrest, and even at my size, I can just kick back on this 19-foot boat and relax. When you stand up here, one new design about the hybrids, if you notice the bow area here, you see how this is a casting platform as well? Remember we were talking about at the stern of the boat? Notice how it doesn't come up to a sharp point. Right here, this is a nice casting platform. It's already pre-rigged right here for a trolling motor. Of course, you need to pick your own trolling motor and your batteries. But folks, my name is Kenny Brown here, Marinemax, Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, this 191 hybrid also comes in several different models. If you're looking for a bigger boat, they make a 21-foot version of this. They make a 23-foot version of this. So give us a call. We'll be glad to show you. And remember, it's always about making memories on the water.